Hi guys! It's me, Cristel of Enlightened Beauty Manila. In today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo yung aking skincare routine using Enlightened products. So for our first product, kanina, ginamit ko is the premium soap. So yung premium soap natin, this is a clear bar soap. So ganito yung itsura niya. It has argan oil, aloe vera, and collagen. Kaya if you have dry skin, napakaganda po nito kasi very good moisturizer yung mga ingredients ng soap natin na to. And if you have uneven skin tone naman or pimple marks, Kojic Papaya is the one we suggest. Katulad ko po, kung papansin niyo, meron akong uneven skin tone at saka mga dark spots sa face. So, what I usually do is in-alternate ko yung Kojic Papaya with glutathione and the premium soap. Since I have combination type of skin, kapag parati ako naka-Kojic, nagda-dry yung skin ko. So, ang ginagawa ko after a week or after 2 weeks, naggagamit naman ako ng premium soap to moisturize since maraming moisturizing ingredients yung ating premium soap. So, pwede mo din gawin yung ginagawa ko. And these two, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa face and sa body. Yung next product na pwede natin gamitin is yung facial cleanser. Yung facial cleanser, ito yung ating toner. Ang maganda dito, it helps lighten the skin and it also helps minimize the appearance of pores. Yan. At meron din siyang ingredients for anti-aging. Kaya maganda siyang gamitin. So, sa cotton pads, ilalagay mo lang siya and then upward motion. Yung next product na gagamitin natin is yung Cloud Cream. So, ito na yung ating moisturizer. Ang maganda dito, meron na siyang SPF 20, UVA, and UVB protected na din tayo. So, yung ating Cloud Cream, ganito siya. So, mix mo lang siya and then kuha lang tayo ng tamang amount para sa ating face. So, yan. Napakatipid niyang gamitin. So, ang Cloud Cream natin, ang maganda dito, nakaka-lighten siya since it has a lot of whitening ingredients. Ang maganda dito, it helps limit the overproduction of melanin na nagkukos ng dark spots sa face. Yan. Yan. Sa mga hindi mahilig mag-makeup, ito yung product na we suggest. So, ganyan po yung effect ng ating Cloud Cream. Meron siyang instant brightening effect. So, maganda siyang gamitin every day. And actually, you can use it day and night. So, those are the products that I usually use every day for my skincare routine. Pero kapag umaalis ako, I usually use the CC Cushion. Yung CC Cushion kasi, it has SPF 50, UVA and UVB protected na din tayo. Kaya, mas ginagamit ko to, especially kapag umaalis ako. So, ganito siya. Ganito yung itsura niya. Yan. Meron lang tayong isang color shade. So, nag-a-adapt kasi siya sa skin color ng ating face. So, konting amount lang and then you will put it sa heart zone ng ating face. Yan. And then, spread lang natin siya. Spread natin siya using patting motion. So, ganyan po yung effect ng ating CC Cushion sa face. So, hindi siya nakakapagbigay ng full coverage, as in yung full coverage talaga. Pero, kung ang gusto mo is yung natural looking lang, I suggest the CC Cushion kasi yun yung effect na ibinibigay niya sa ating skin. Yung luminous finish na glowing yung skin natin. Yung dark spots and uneven skin tone ko sa face, nako-cover up niya naman and as well as yung redness sa aking nose area. I can suggest the products na ginamit ko kanina. You can also use it for your everyday skincare routine. So, thank you for watching and I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung ating Enlightened products. If you have any questions, just send us a message para mabigay po namin sa inyo yung complete details on how you can avail the Enlightened skincare products. Thank you for watching!